Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to delete temporary file in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought Windows 11 PC or you might be upgrade from Windows 10 to 11 and you are looking for how to delete temporary file in your Windows 11. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Windows 11 start menu and then you're going to see screen appear just like this, and from here you need to click in the settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find the screen appear just like this, and in this screen you need to click here storage. After click over storage, you're going to find the screen appear just like this, and from here if you want to delete your junk file or temporary file, you need to click this temporary file and you're going to see screen appear just like this. By default, this system is selected some temporary file, thumbnails, temporary internet file, delivery optimization file, direct share cache, Windows error reports, Windows upgrade logo file. Also you can delete download folder. Also you can delete a recycle bin. Actually maybe you download something and after that you might be no need anything in download folder. You can just simply choose this download icon. So when you click remove file, all this file going to be deleted. Make sure that you don't need that file which is stored in your download folder. Also we made the recycle bin, so make sure that you not have anything recycle bin and you want to return back. So you can simply choose all of them, or you can uncheck download and recycle bin, and you can click here remove file. And after click over remove file, you will see a pop-up appear just like this. The selection file and their data will be permanently deleted. So make sure if you are ready, then you can click here continue, and those files going to be completely deleted from your file in your Windows 11. Also there is a one things more you can do to deleting temporary file automatically. For that you need to click again here start menu and then click here setting. After click over setting, you need to click here storage, and then you're going to find here something say storage sense. After click over storage sense, you're going to see something say keep Windows running smoothly by automatic cleaning up temporary system and app file. Make sure this is turned on or not. If it is not, you need to turn this on. It will be more useful to deleting temporary file. Also you can choose automatic user content cleanup. You can turn this on, and here you're going to find here something say configure cleanup schedule, like run stress sense, like doing low free disk space. You can choose every month, every week, or every day. Also one things more, something for example you delete file and in it does those files going to be stored in a recycle bin, and you might be want to let's automatically delete any file which is you deleted more than 30 days, or more than 60 days, or more than 14 days. For example, many time we deleted different files, and that is actually we no need, and you can make here a auto setup. After that, every time any file is more than 60 days, that's going to be completely deleting from your PC. Also it's going to be deleted from your recycle bin. Also something special, they had added delete file in my download folder if they haven't been opened for more than, you can choose 60 days, 30 days, or 14. For example, you might be we are normally we download many things from the internet, and after that we might be no need that files, and if you doesn't open that particular file more than 60 days, automatically those files going to be deleted. You can easily turn on these things, and you can easily set up these things, and your Windows going to be do for you that things. So within this way you can easily delete temporary file in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.